Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're running polls on your WordPress site, you know how frustrating it can be when visitors vote multiple times and skew your results. Today, I'm going to show you a simple, foolproof way to disable repeat voting using crowd signal, so your polls are more accurate and trustworthy. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to lock each visitor to just one vote. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Click the login button at the top right corner and sign in. The easiest way is using your Google account, so just select Continue with Google and pick your account. Once you're in the dashboard, head over to Feedback, then select Crowd Signal. This is where all your poll management happens. Here, you can see every poll you've created and tweak the settings. Next, look for the account dropdown on the right-hand side and click Settings. Inside Settings, you'll find an option called Repeat Voting. This is the key to controlling your poll integrity. Simply toggle it off. This ensures each visitor can only vote once, preventing multiple votes from the same person. Finally, don't forget to click Save Options. That's it. Your polls are now protected from repeat voting, giving you reliable, honest results every time. It's a small tweak that makes a huge difference in poll accuracy. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to disable repeat voting in WordPress polls using crowd signal. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.